Who holds the power when it comes to patent ownership and inventorship? Ever pondered over this intriguing question? This engrossing voyage of discovery begins now. Imagine a world where ideas take form, where innovation translates into tangible creations. This is the world of patents. But the ownership and inventorship of these patents, that's a different story altogether. Consider this real-life scenario. Picture two researchers, Alice and Bob, working tirelessly in a laboratory to develop a revolutionary new technology. Alice conceives the idea, while Bob designs the experiments and collects the data. Now, who should be considered the inventor? Who has the right to claim the patent? The law states that only those who contribute to the conception of the invention can be named as inventors. In this case, Alice, the one who conceived the idea, would be the inventor. But what about Bob? Even though he played a crucial role, he may not be considered an inventor under the law. Now shift your thoughts to a different scenario. A corporation employs a team of engineers to develop a new product. The engineers conceive and develop the product, but who owns the patent? The individual engineers or the corporation? In most countries, the patent rights belong to the employer unless there's an agreement stating otherwise. This means that while the engineers are recognized as the inventors, the corporation holds the patent ownership. But it doesn't end there. What happens when a patent is sold or licensed? The original inventor still maintains the title of inventorship, but the ownership changes hands. Like when Google purchased Motorola Mobility in 2011, Google gained ownership of Motorola's patents, but the inventorship remained with the original inventors. These scenarios highlight the fascinating complexities of patent ownership and inventorship. The inventor is not always the owner, and the owner is not always the inventor. To sum up this enlightening journey, remember these key points. Inventorship is about contribution to the conception of the invention. It's about the eureka moment, the birth of an idea. Ownership, on the other hand, often lands with the employer or the entity that funds the invention. And while ownership can change hands, inventorship remains constant. It's a title that stays with the person or people who first breathed life into the idea. So, the next time you find yourself marveling at a groundbreaking invention, take a moment to consider the journey it took from conception to patent. Behind every patent, there's an intricate story of inventorship and ownership waiting to be told. Until then, keep questioning, keep discovering. The world of patents awaits.